So I'm starting off with a piece of cardboard and 4 of my Decor 12-inch mirrored tiles. I'm going to be adding strong adhesive as well as hot glue, and I'm going to be using these to create a border around my cardboard. These mirrored tiles are from Amazon. I will have them linked down below. Now I'll be taking this 8 by 8 inch mirror, and it will be the center of my wall decor. I'm also going to be using these mosaic mirrored tiles that are also from Amazon. I will have these linked down below as well. Now I'm going to be adding some of these to the edge of my mirror so I can know how much spacing I need to have on either side. I'm going to be tracing my center mirror so that I can know exactly where to glue it down. I'll be using my strong adhesive as well as my hot glue to glue down my mirror. I'll be removing the mosaic tiles from the mesh backing, and I'll be using my strong adhesive around the edge of my 8-inch mirror to glue these down individually. I'll also be adding 2 strips of this rhinestone adhesive, which I purchased on Amazon, to each side of my border. Using a sanding block to smooth out the edge of my cardboard, and then I'll be using these small mirrored tiles to finish off the edge of my mirror. And here is how they turned out. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love the way the mosaic tiles sparkle. But let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these turned out? I'll be using 5 of the 12-inch mirror tiles, and I'm going to be using a tube from aluminum foil, taking my strong adhesive as well as my hot glue, and I'll be gluing these 12-inch mirror tiles around my aluminum foil tubing. Now I'll be taking this lamp that I purchased from Goodwill, and I'll be taking this whole thing apart because all I want to use is the clear crystal that is on the lamp. I'll be using my strong adhesive as well as my hot glue to add this crystal piece to the top that is going to hold my candles. And as you can see in the back, I also did add some of that rhinestone ribbon to the top to cover up a little bit of the cardboard tubing. I'm also going to be adding rhinestone ribbon in between each of my mirror tiles. And here is how those candle holders turned out. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. But let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these turned out and if you'll be trying any of these DIYs for yourself. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you are doing well, and I will talk to you in the next one.